Hello everyone and welcome back to Mommy and Me Toys. Hi guys, today we are here with the Disney Doorables Encanto Collection Peek. Now this one is a little different. It says it has 9 exclusives and does not have that special figure that you can find like most of the Collection Peek packs do. You just straight up get 9 exclusives. And here's a look at the box. I'm loving the box. It definitely gives the feel of the movie, and yeah, it's just a really pretty box. All right guys, let's see what these characters look like. All right, so I'm trying to figure out, does this one doesn't look like a door. Oh, maybe it's 2 doors. Ah. There's a little certificate that you get. I'll show you that at the end because it shows all the characters on there. And yeah, it has 2 doors, this one. So here it shows our little mini doors. It has little pink bags in this one. First one, oh, the first one we got is Mirabelle. Oh, these are actually glittery too. Look how glittery her whole skirt and shoes. I like their little glasses. It's cute. We have Lisa. She has a glittery skirt too. This actually reminds me of Twilight Sparkle. It's just the way her dark purple, lighter purple, and it just looks like Twilight Sparkle. She has a little bun, a little braid, and a little glittery bow in her hair. That's cute. Oh, we got Bruno. Oh my gosh, look how cool he looks. He is like really sparkly and he's green. Look at his hair. But his eyes, my gosh, look at him. They're so glittery and I love that color. That is a very, very cool character right there. So cool. It'd be hard to top him in this series, I think. This pack, he will end up being the coolest. Oh, and we got Isabella. She's cute. Again, she has a glittery dress. Of course, she's holding a flower and has a flower in her hair, which is also glittery. Her hair is kind of blowing off to the side. She's cute. This one feels big. Oh, we got Antonio. Oh my gosh, you guys, his hair feels so cool. It's like really textured and rough. So there's little Antonio. Doesn't appear that he has a little bit of glitter, but very minimal. We have Julieta. She also has a sparkly dress. Aw, I love how her hair's up in a bun. It looks just like on the movie. She has her little gray streaks in her hair. She's holding food. Since in the movie she has a healing power to feed people food and heal them. It's cool. have Dolores. Wow, she's really glittery. I love the glittery bow in her hair. Wow, look at that. Tons of glitter. A little glittery dress. That's a really cute one. I like that one. Super glittery. And we have Camillo. He has a little bit of glitter on him. Cool. All right, we are down to our last door. And our last one is Peppa. She has a little glittery skirt, little glittery headband. Her eyes are so light green. Really pretty eyes on this one. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you this little certificate. It just says Disney Doorables Disney Encanto Special Edition Certificate. And then it shows all the little characters that you get in this one. Alright guys, here are all of the ones that we got out of the Disney Doorables Encanto Collection Peek Pack. I think they're all super cool. I really like Mirabelle and Dolores. I love those figures. But my favorite is definitely this Bruno. He looks too cool. Look at his eyes. They are so glittery. I love that color of green. And he's just like covered in glitter. And just a super cool, unique character. Alright guys, let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of this one. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!